Welcome back to Channel 5 News at noon. The heat has been plentiful across the valley today. Taking a live look outside here in Weslaco, you can see plenty of blue sky out there, but we have had a few clouds from time to time and even a few showers, which I'll show you in a second. But let's look at the heat to start, because unlike the rain, the heat is definitely widespread. Right now we're at 91 degrees here in Weslaco with a south wind at 13 miles per hour. The upper valley is sitting at 95. So what does it feel like out there? Beyond hot, right? Well, you're right. Here we go. Anywhere from 97 up to 106 degrees is what it feels like out there, because you have to take into consideration that very humid air that is still out there. And let me tell you, it's not going anywhere anytime soon. We are counting down to summer, and it actually occurs. The first day of summer is next week. So get ready for some very hot and very humid days. It was exactly what we expect this time of year. Looking at the Doppler network here, those isolated rain showers I've been showing you, mainly along the coast and kind of streaming along that I-69E corridor. Not a whole lot of activity this afternoon so far, but as we continue to warm up, we're headed to the upper 80s at the coast, mid to upper 90s pretty much everywhere else except for McAllen and Rio Grande City. Areas around there will be in the triple digits. As we heat up, we're still going to get that instability, that rockiness that we need to get a few showers or thunderstorms going, in addition to the sea breeze front. So with those elements coming together, it looks like we could see a few spotty showers. Now, it's not going to be widespread, so pay attention here to Future Track. We start the clock at noon. We'll continue to see an isolated shower or two, mainly in the mid to lower valley, and I'm not expecting them to be too heavy like this particular model is showing, but there could be a few times where you get a little bit of heavy rain or moderate rain. But for the most part, this is going to be very isolated activity. By 4 or 5 o'clock, we could still have a few stray showers. Looks like the best chance for rain, mid to lower valley. The upper valley, like a 10% chance. So don't be surprised if you do see a few showers out there, but really we're not expecting a whole lot of activity for the upper valley. In fact, really not a whole lot across the valley in terms of rain. We're looking at 20%, back to mainly dry by tomorrow. And by Thursday, we're really dry as an area of high pressure really strengthens. Now, we are tracking the tropics, so let's take a look at what's happening out there. We are zoomed into the Pacific. This is what's left of Calvin at this point. So it's just remnants of Calvin, now still producing quite a bit of heavy rain over southern Mexico as it continues to make its way northwest at about 5 miles per hour. Very slow moving storm with lots of moisture, so it's really going to continue to weaken as it goes over the mountains, but produce about 5 to 10 inches of rainfall over Guerrero, Chiapas, and even Oaxaca. So it's one of those things. We've already seen about 10 inches of rainfall in Salina Cruz, and then isolated areas could get hit with some very heavy rain, anywhere up to about 20 inches in isolated areas. So it's something that we'll continue to watch for these developments. Now, we are zoomed in over the Bay of Campeche and also the southern Gulf. So we're kind of up there by the banner. The reason why I'm drawing your attention to this area is we're going to be watching for some possible development, but it's really not organized enough to say, yes, this is definitely going to happen. This is one of those things where the National Hurricane Center has given it about a 20% chance of developing into something tropical over the next 5 days. So it's an extended forecast. A lot of things could happen between now and then. So let's take a look here as we start the clock at Monday morning. It's early Monday morning, okay? But we're going to watch all this green here, and you can see that the tropical moisture does begin to get a little bit closer to the valley. So basically what it looks like for us right now is a good rainmaker for us on Monday and Tuesday, with spotty showers and thunderstorms in that forecast. So really not a whole lot to really be concerned with right now. Right now it just looks like a rain event, but it is something that we'll keep our eye on. Now take a look here at your first Warm 5 7-day forecast. We're going to 96 degrees today, 98 mainly dry for Flag Day tomorrow. By Thursday and Friday, here we go, triple digit heat. That's right. Friday and Saturday, we're going from 99 on Thursday up to 101, hot and breezy for Friday and Saturday, folks. By Sunday for Father's Day, there will be an additional cloud cover out there, keeping temperatures in the upper 90s, but still feeling like triple digits. So don't underestimate the heat. It'll definitely be sweltering out there. By Monday, spotty showers with high temperatures near 96. Your overnight lows will be in the mid to upper 70s for the next 7 nights. And that's your updated First Warm 5 forecast. You're watching Channel 5 News at noon. We'll be right back.